Wait.
Joe. Joe, we're going on right now. We're going on right now. We're about to put you back in.
Yeah, you're on.
Okay. Okay. Caitie, you got to redo that whole thing because I don't do that. I don't do introductions.
Hi, everyone. By popular demand, we have a cooking segment with John Mulliner, aka Mulliner, who is going to be creating something with our good friend Joel Gammeren, who is the chef out in Washington State. He used to be the head chef or the guy from Sur La Table. He used to be in charge of all the cooking stuff for Sur La Table. And now he's got a show on Yumly.
Put him on so you can hear
and he's joining us now, and he's going to give instructions.
Is he on?
John keeps telling me to stop yelling, so he's going to give us instructions on how to make this thing called chicken lap, which is a Taiwanese dish. And
for him now.
okay, we're waiting for him. John, entertain your fans.
Joel Gammeren is unable to join.
What? I sort of need him. I don't know.
Let's try again. It says Joel Gammeren is unable to join.
So, a guy walks into a bar. He hears these little voices saying, "Nice shirt, nice tie. You're good looking. I love your shoes." And he says to the bartender, "What is that? What are those voices?" And the bartender says, "Oh, those are the peanuts. They're complimentary." But I'm bummed.
Is Joel coming on? He's good one. I heard it.
We're waiting. Oh, here we go.
All right.
Is he back on?
Waiting. Connecting. Connecting. There we go.
Yay!
Okay.
Let's cook it up.
All right. So I just reintroduced you, Joel. Said all kinds of nice things. Told you jokes because it took a long time to get on. And now you guys watch them cook this dish because it's supposed to be delicious and easy to make. It only takes
10 minutes.
And it only takes 10 minutes. So
let's do this.
Joel. I'm going to be your
okay. Mulder, Joel, let's do this thing.
You ready, baby?
What's it called?
Okay. Caitie nailed it. It's called chicken lap. It's spelled like LARB, L-A-R-B, but there's no R-B noise. It's chicken lap, and it's a Thai dish. Super healthy. Are you ready, Mulder?
I'm ready, Joel, but I have one. Well,
we can't see you, Joel.
Why?
We can hear you.
We can hear you. We can't see you. You're just a circle that's circling around as if you're buffering. Can other people see Joel?
Yeah, let's see if other people can see me. It might be just my connection. Something might be wonky. You know what? We're gonna call in from my wife's phone. Look for Angelina Cunha.
The other people can see him. So
they can see him. Okay,
let's
do
go.
it.
Okay.
All right, Mulder. First step.
Let's
Grab your pan. Grab your pan. Put it on a high heat. High heat.
Okay, Joel.
You with me?
Yeah.
How
No,
about
no,
this
no,
pan?
no, that's not good. Here,
This pan?
that one, yeah.
Do you have a pan on? I can't see you. I'm just going based off of what you're saying.
we have a pan on.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want what you want?
High heat.
High heat. Got it.
Mulder, next stage. You're going to grab a handful of rice. Do you have your rice?
I have pilaf. Rice pilaf.
I said buy rice and
wait,
you came home with rice pilaf. Can we understand?
Would you rather have me use this?
Yeah.
Basmati?
Yeah, basmati rice. Just a handful of basmati rice is perfect.
Just what do I do with it?
All right, take a handful and put it right into the pan.
There's
no
nothing in
oil.
the pan. There's no oil in it.
Did I say put oil, Mulder?
No.
Okay, let's keep cooking, baby. Let's keep cooking.
Oh, he's reaching for
No
the oil.
No oil, Mulder. No oil.
Okay, I'm putting
just
people on rice.
get into the pan.
Yeah.
You should just have rice in the pan, Mulder. You got that?
Got it.
Okay. So we're toasting the rice right now. We're just getting the rice a little bit fragrant, getting it kind of excited. Now, I have ground turkey. What did you buy, Mulder?
Well, Joel, our local store didn't have any ground chicken. They didn't have ground turkey, but I got ground pork.
Woo! I love it because you know what? This works with anything. It works with ground beef, but you should definitely buy something ground. And you know what's cool about ground meat, Mulder? What's really cool is when you buy ground meat, it's usually the parts that a lot of the butchers can't sell. They grind it up, and I know that sounds gross, but it's the most sustainable thing you could do at a meat counter is get the ground meat.
All right, well, I did it.
All right, Mulder, smell your rice. Is it toasting?
You know, not so much, but it's on high heat.
Turn up the heat, baby.
It's high.
All right. Next up.
Okay.
While the rice is toasting, and keep an eye on that, okay?
I
want to dice an onion.
Dice an
Are you
onion.
with me?
Yeah.
So we're going to dice half an onion. And you can get it really nice and close. So I'm just cutting this as small as I can. This is just a little leftover onion from last night. Right?
Joel, I think you're going to like the technique I'm using. If I could get in here, I'm doing something I learned at Full Plate, where I'm doing the cuts through it one way, and then
I love it.
And then I'm going to chop it this way, and off it comes.
Mulder, I love it, baby.
Right?
Okay, now, real quick, Ange, get into the pan. See how my rice is kind of browning? All right, it's kind of toasty. I'm now going to pour it into a pestle and mortar.
We don't have one of those.
So you, Caitie, you guys have the little food processor.
Yeah.
So I want you to pour the rice into the food processor.
Okay. Is that toasted enough, Joel?
Let me see. Yeah, that's plenty.
Okay.
All
Okay,
right. So
is
pour
this
it into the food processor.
You want this chopped more, or is that good?
That's good. Totally good.
Oh, it smells really good. Hold on.
Yeah. All right. So, Caitie, don't grind the rice yet. What I want to do is, Mulder, grab like a couple of tablespoons of olive oil or grapeseed oil or soy oil, whatever you got, and put it in your hot pan that the rice just came out of.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh,
And
wait,
then
but you're
add
supposed to
the
put the
meat right
rice
in.
in.
So I'm adding my turkey right in.
Wait, add the rice to the food processor, but don't grind it yet. But put the turkey in the hot pan, correct?
Put this in the food processor?
The rice, yeah.
Yeah.
Rice
so
in the
rice,
food processor.
So you guys can hear me. Can you hear me okay?
Yep.
And now 2
Okay.
tablespoons.
He's putting the oil in.
Oil in, and then put the pork in the oil, just like this.
We can't see it either. We
Put the pork in the oil.
Yeah.
Pork happening over there. Let me see.
Joel, explain what you want me to do with the pork. I have one big glob of pork going in.
So put the pork into the hot oil, Mulder. Hot oil.
All of it?
All of it.
And now
Yep.
top
And you
it
start
up.
breaking it up with a spoon, you guys. There you
Yep.
go. Perfect. Perfect. We just turn it around and hold it.
Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's great. Okay. Mulder, let's give a good pinch of salt over that. Nice big pinch of salt over the pork. Yeah, baby. Okay. Now, you should have 2 things done, just to recap. The pork is kind of getting brown and kind of crispy in the pan, and you should have toasted rice in your little Cuisinart. Yes?
Yeah.
Good job. All right, now, Caitie, do you mind blitzing the rice into a powder? Blitz the rice into a powder. And Ange, I'm going to do the same thing on my side with a pestle and mortar.
Got it.
You got it, Caitie. I believe in you. I believe in you. Yes! Yes!
woo.
Turn it on. There you go. Good.
Look at it. Cover. Yeah.
You guys are so cute.
You
We're
guys
singing
are
together.
so cute.
Can you show my face?
All right.
Yes, I can. Yes. Yes. Perfect. Stop.
Okay.
Good.
Show them the pork.
Okay. Next up, don't do anything with that rice
smells
yet.
so good, Joel.
What's that?
The rice smells so good.
So good, right? So good. So what I want you to do next is all that onion that you diced up, Mulder, I want it into the pork.
Into the
And I'm
pork.
going to do the same thing on my end. Can you get it
Yep.
in my side?
Here, I've got a thing for you. Don't do anything. Hold on. I got something for you.
There's that food.
You guys are doing a great job.
Yep.
Perfect.
I had
So
one of
great.
those scraper things, but I can't find it.
That's cool. I know what you're talking about. I'm just proud that you have one, Caitie.
I know. I just don't know where it is.
All right, Joel. What else, baby?
All right.
We got,
Next up.
onions,
Next up. You ready?
oil, and pork.
You're going to grab your rice that you just ground up, a nice handful of that ground rice, and you're going to add it over the top of the pork in the pan. And what that's going to do, you guys, is that rice is going to kind of help thicken the sauce. It's going to give a really good texture to the meat.
Joel, how much of the rice did you say?
Like a handful, but don't reach in there with the blade in there, baby. Take the blade out.
Don't
It's
you?
out.
Yeah, the
Good.
blade's out.
Good.
Don't reach in there with the blade in there.
Yeah,
That's
we
right.
got the blade out.
All right, but leave some for later too, right?
Yeah. Perfect. That looks great. All right, mix it up, Mulder. Mix the rice in there, baby. This is looking really good, you guys. Look at mine and look at yours.
It looks exactly the
They
same.
look exactly the same. Exactly the
Okay.
same.
We can't. Okay.
Yeah, yours looks great, Joel.
I mean,
We can't
okay.
see you, Joel.
Now, listen up. The key to this recipe is the lime and the fish sauce. First thing I want you to do, smell the fish sauce. Open it up and just smell it.
Yeah, I know it's gonna smell nasty, Joel.
What's it gonna smell like, Mulder?
It's gonna smell like fish, Joel.
So it is so crucial. People don't believe in fish sauce. They think it smells gross.
Well, first
but
of all, it
makes
smells like
dishes
plastic
come
with the
alive.
top was off.
All right. So what I want to do next is I
Whoa!
want to take.
Oh! Hey, smells good.
Yeah.
Do I put a little in here, Joel?
Not yet. Just get it ready. Mulder, you should have 2 limes. Do you have 2 limes? Awesome. What I want you to do is zest the limes. Zest totally all limes. So, Ange, can you scroll down? Guys, when you're zesting at home, make sure you
Did you
strike
wash
on
them?
one
And
spot
there's a tag on it.
and then go to
Hey,
a new
Joel.
spot.
Hey, Joel, I made this
Yeah.
recipe that Ina taught me with lemon zest, and I forgot to take the label off, so I zested the label too.
Oh,
All right.
Caitie, you're close with Ina. Is she as cool
Joel,
as
do I
she
turn
is
down
in
the heat a
person
little
as she
bit
is
on
on the
this?
show?
Joel, should I turn down the heat on the pork?
No.
No?
Nope. Keep it nice and hot. Keep stirring it.
Should I zest this now?
Zest both limes. Both limes. So it looks
Into-
like this.
We can't see, but into the pork.
Both limes into the pork.
Yeah.
Zest it up. Yep. And Ange, you can go on mine. Going right in.
going right in the pork.
Cool.
Cool.
So not
We're
lime
gonna
juice,
move that
just
around.
lime zest.
Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah, it smells good. I don't know if it's actually.
Mulder, you got it? You doing good?
Yeah.
Now.
So Joel, just the zest, not the juice.
Just the zest right now. The juice comes in at the end.
Okay.
Now, you see me holding a chili. Do you guys have anything spicy in the house?
Yeah, we've
Yeah.
got a lot of things. I've got jalapenos and I've got spicy jalapeno sauce.
All right, get the jalapenos. Let's chop some of those up.
I'll do that for you.
And by the way, just keep an eye on the pork. Give it a stir every once in a while. Caitie, you can jump in on the stove. Cool. All right, and
I'm zesting this
getting close
lime.
to my chili. That's fine. That's what mine looks like, Mulder. It's cool. If you miss a couple spots, it's not the end of the world.
Oh my god.
That looks great. You're good. That's plenty.
Did you watch
Okay.
this?
chili.
Yeah, I did.
A great way to get the seeds out of a chili, you guys. Caitie, you'll like this trick. Ready? You roll on the chili.
Oh, I know how to do that.
I've taught you this, Caitie. Yes.
You taught me.
And then you cut the end off and you shake out the seeds.
That is
Really
such
cool.
a good.
I know. I love that one.
Oh, hold on, Joel. I think it's best. Hold on. They're not coming out, Joel.
Did you roll on it?
I did. Maybe not
Now,
enough.
slam
but
it
here.
against the board. Slam it against the board, Caitie. Oh, that works. That works.
Yeah.
All right. Shave the chili.
Can you
like
rinse
mine.
it to get the rest? Oh, no. There they are. They're all gone. How do you want me to cut this?
So what I want you to do is cut it into slices and then mince it up. So just give it a really good mince, Caitie. About a tablespoon.
This knife blows.
Cool. What blows?
This knife actually blows.
Do you want me to get your number?
No, it's all right.
Well,
Are you reading Wake Up Call?
can we
these
find?
days,
Can
Joel?
someone send Caitie some new knives
And a mortal and pestle.
and a pestle and mortar? All right, Ange,
Yeah.
grab my chili. It's going right into the pan.
He's
Okay.
busy. Okay.
Cool.
Yeah. It's really hard to.
Yeah.
I just did. Do you want me to do 2 jalapenos or 1?
Just one. Just one. And it's gonna be. I would only use half of one, Caitie.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Joel, I'm going to throw a little lift baby in there.
What is that? Oh, jalapeno sauce?
Melinda's jalapeno sauce, and she doesn't sponsor me, but I'm putting
Who
it
wants
in.
to put it? He's going rogue.
No, do not go rogue, Mulder. Do not go
Don't do
rogue.
it.
Stick with the jalapeno. No, no way. All right, now, Mulder.
Yeah.
What I want you to do now is I want you to add about a tablespoon of the fish sauce over the pork. Okay, a good amount. And then I want you to squeeze both the limes. Both the limes. It should be really limey.
Jalapeno.
And squeeze both the limes into it.
Yep. So you've got the fish sauce and you've got the limes right over the top. Beautiful.
What do I do with the jalapeno?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Look at both those fishes.
Look what his look like. Oh, his looks good. Mulder, yours looks great. All right, beautiful. So your lime is in, your fish sauce is in. The last thing you got to add into this real quick is a little pinch of sugar. So I would do like a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of sugar.
Okay, what
Right.
about the jalapenos?
Oh yeah, add those in. Yeah, sorry, I thought you added those in already.
Can you grab some sugar, Caitie?
Yeah.
Beautiful, guys. How does it smell?
That fish sauce is a little strong, but it smells good. The lime is nice.
Beautiful. And kind of, Mulder, when you're stirring the pork, just kind of break up the big chunks. You don't want them too chunky.
How's that look, Joel?
And what's happening now, just so you know, all that rice powder that Caitie ground up, that's soaking up all the
Ready
juice.
for the sugar?
How much sugar goes in?
Just 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons, go for it.
2 teaspoons in it?
That looks good.
Perfect, perfect. Okay, we're in the final stretch, you guys. Mulder, you have some mint and you've got some chives, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, we want
I
to
have
chop
basil
them
and
all
chives.
up.
Mint.
The mint,
Mint.
all you gotta do is pull off the stem. So
Pull
for
off
the
the
mint, just pull it off the stem. And the chives, I want you to chop it up nice and fine. And I would
Okay.
do a handful of both, Caitie. Handful of both.
the mint. You can do chop
Okay, I'll do the chives.
You want the scissors?
Yeah.
They're
Caitie,
right.
what's your scissor trick with the
Hey,
chives?
Joel, how much mint goes in?
A big handful, Mulder. Big handful.
10-4, Chief.
And how much chives?
Big handful, Caitie. One big handful of both.
Hey,
You
Joel,
guys know
while
I
I'm
don't
doing
like
this, Joel, tell me what you enjoy reading in Wake Up Call each day.
What's that? What I've been reading on Wake Up Call?
Yeah, you reading Wake Up Call?
I read Wake Up Call every single morning. Every single, I'm not even joking. I read it every single morning. You can ask Anthony.
Tell me
That's the
about
first thing I do.
Brown Banana.
So Brown Banana is a newsletter I'm launching next week all about food waste. So you guys should check it out, brownbanana.tv. All right.
I'm going to check it out, and maybe we'll put this recipe in something about food waste. You shouldn't
I love
do
it,
that,
baby.
right? Hey, Joe, do I
Okay,
cut
so
off
watch
this
me.
or just
This
put
is
them
really
in?
important. You ready? Mulder, listen up. Is
Yeah.
your pork cooked through? Can you pick
Oh,
up
yeah.
one and make sure it's cooked through?
It is.
Okay. Take it off the heat. Turn off the heat.
Roger that, Houston.
Wait a second.
Good job.
Ready for the
Add
sauce?
in all the scallions and all the mince. Everyone in the pool.
Come on. Everyone in the
Okay,
pool.
hold on. Is this enough, Ty?
Yeah, that's great. That's perfect.
That's
Oh,
beautiful.
So just be careful.
So just
All right,
dump it all in there.
All right, come on in tight.
It's really good. And can you get inside my pan?
Yeah.
So you guys can cut. Mulder,
Guys,
yours
stir it
is
up.
better than mine. Legit.
Stir it.
Actually, no, it doesn't. Mine looks pretty bomb.
Stir it up, Joe.
That looks, yeah, stir it up. Stir it up. And give it a taste. What does it taste like?
I didn't taste it yet.
You want me to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It might need a little bit more salt, but mine's really good.
Oh, you took a big bite.
Well,
That's good.
Let me taste it.
no, it's delicious. It doesn't need any more salt.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, it's delicious.
Isn't it? It's so bright. It's so, like, summery. I love it.
I'm a pretty good cook.
So here's how I played it up, Mulder. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, should I get my bib lettuce?
Yeah, I got
Yeah,
it.
grab your bib lettuce, and Ange, if you can just get me on the plate here. So I just put my lettuces to kind of one side, and then I take all, or not all of it, but a nice big portion of the pork right next to it. It's kind of like lettuce wraps.
Move the salad bowl.
Yeah, hold on. I am.
Get that out of the way.
Like that?
And put it on the salad or on the side?
On the side, just like that. That's perfect.
But
And
the,
then
the,
Yeah,
scoop,
it's gonna be. You're gonna make a
some of the
lettuce
pork
wrap.
right next to it.
I love it side by side.
Yes, this is awesome. And mine is done. Let's see what yours looks like. I haven't really. Yeah, you gotta spoon some out.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm just trying it off.
I washed it.
I know you washed it, but it's sort of wet. Okay.
Katie, don't argue. I mean, Mulder, don't argue with Katie. Okay, she's right.
I knew that.
What do you think?
Well, I'm going to give us these
Here's
people a little
mine.
bit more.
Wait, no, because maybe everybody else can try it.
We're good.
Adriana, can you show them what mine looks like so they can see the difference?
I would, but you're
Is this
we
like
haven't
good
been
too?
able to see you the whole time, Joel.
Oh, yeah, I can see it. But that's ours. Ours looks
No.
good. All right. So what do
I
we
love
call
it. You guys did
This
an
is
amazing
called
job.
chicken
Wow.
top.
Wow.
Top. And,
How long did that take?
but we made ours with pork, and it's delicious.
Here, I want you to. I'm gonna try one. You try one, Mo. Here. You put it in the lettuce wrap. Do you
Yeah,
put
put it in the
anything on
lettuce
top
wrap.
of it, Joel?
Do we
What's
put
that?
sauce on top of it?
Yeah, if you want to, sure.
What?
But I have my little lettuce wrap here. I'll eat one with you guys.
Okay.
Cheers.
Wait a second. Hold on. It's very hot. So, is yours really hot still, Joel?
Yeah, but not crazy.
Everybody.
Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Cheers, Joel. Thanks, Joel.
Wait, don't go yet. We have to talk a little more.
Yeah, keep talking.
Mm.
That's very good. Delicious.
Wait, how good is that? Like, how good is that?
That's excellent. You know, it's interesting. The fish sauce is very nice in there, which you wouldn't think
Yes.
it would.
Yes.
Joel?
Yes.
So, is this better when it's made with ground chicken, or can you substitute any meat?
Substitute any meat, and if you're vegan, I would do like ground lentils, like cooked lentils, and grind them up, and you can do the same thing. Or ground mushrooms would be really good.
Really?
Yes, absolutely. Look how good that looks, and it's super healthy. Super
Is it?
healthy. What's in there? A little bit of sugar. That's the only thing in there. It's nothing crazy. You know? You guys did
It's
an amazing
excellent
job.
and really easy. And I think that's a great recipe. Any thoughts, Mo? It's your show.
Are there any questions coming out?
Everyone saying it looks delicious.
It's very good. And it really, you probably could make it in under 15 minutes, right, Joel?
I
You
think
have
you
all
can make it
the
under 10.
ingredients.
I think you can make it under 10 minutes. I honestly do. But can I ask you guys a question? 1 to 10, 10 being like unbelievable, 1 being like eh, what would you give it? Wow.
I'm giving it this is a great dish. I would say it's a 9 or a 10, Joel. But I'll tell you, some of the dishes I love that I've been making from your recipes. I love the 3 cheese broken lasagna. I'm going to make that again for people if you care. I can make it. 1 pan. It's all made in 1 pan. 3 cheeses, broken lasagna, 15 minutes. Right, Joel?
It's insane. Yeah. So I have a show called Seconds on readyforseconds.com, and it's also on Wake Up Call.
Yes.
So you can catch episodes there. But recipes in under 15 minutes. It's unbelievable. By the way, I don't know. I know you guys can't see him, but Jonah just woke up from his nap, so he's here for the very end.
Oh, I want to see him.
Let's see.
Oh, we can't see him.
Oh, that's okay. You'll see it on the record.
Okay.
But I love you guys. We're coming from Seattle all the way to East Hampton. Mwah.
Hey, Joel, can I ask you one other question?
Yes.
You know, we toasted a lot of rice, but we only used a handful. Why did we toast so much? That's wasteful.
Because Mulder said he's going to make more for your family, so he's going to use the rest.
Oh.
Should we sprinkle any on top or no?
No.
Can you what? Sprinkle some on top?
John's
Yeah,
asking
that'd be
if we
delicious.
should sprinkle some on top, and we say no.
All right, so don't do it, but I think it would be kind of good. Add a little
I'm
crunch.
gonna try it.
All right.
Yeah, try it out.
You know,
Okay, try it.
because you're thinking in the box, I'm outside.
It might be weird, but I don't know. I think it could be delicious. I'm kind of curious.
It gives it a crunch element.
I like it, Mulder. Tell me what you think.
Okay.
Mulder's
So this
really
is-
into this. He loves this.
I call this the chicken pop with a Mulder variation.
Let's hear it. The Mulder variation. Weird or good?
It's a little weird. It feels like you bit your tooth and it sort of like you found a toenail in your salad.
You guys have come a long way since we first started cooking together. I'll tell you that. And Caitie, if you dump me for Ina, I'll never speak to you again.
Of course, you're always #1 in my heart, Joel.
Good. I love you guys. Stay safe and thanks for
I
having
can't
me on.
believe I can't see your little guy.
It's okay. We'll take it offline.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, Chef Joel.
Bye, everybody.
Angie.
Bye, guys. Thanks for having me. See ya.
Good job, Katie.
Bye, you guys.
Bye.